Hello friends, in this video we are going to see GAMADA's regional plan till 2031. By GAMADA I mean Greater Mohali Area Development Authority. So we are going to see GAMADA's regional plan for Mohali and neighboring cities. Neighboring cities precisely Zirakpur, Kharad, Derabasi, Mullapur and Banur. So yeah, this red colored part is showing the map of Mohali here, also known as SAS Nagar. Here you are seeing lots of yellow colored areas and purple colored and so many other types of areas also. But I want to say one thing, that this map is basically providing a brief overview of all the cities, not a detailed one. That's why we are not seeing different sectors in the cities. We're just seeing a just an overview of the cities. So let's delve into the map of Mohali a bit. Yeah. So I'm saying that here we can see these yellow colored areas. These ones. So they actually represent this yellow colored area. It represents the commercial centers. It may be industries. It may be institutions. It may be areas for the markets. So all these are yellow colored areas and these all are commercial centers. So in Mohali there are lots of these. So we can say that a lot of area has been allocated to for commercial purposes in Mohali. Here if you look at this, I will enlarge it a bit. Here we can see some pink colored space having black lines in between. This area, this pink colored space, it has been proposed it, for the mixed use. It will be constructed later on, hasn't been constructed yet, but has been proposed by Gamada for mixed use, which means that uh, it will be used for commercial as well as residential purposes. It Some markets may be set up here, houses may be built here, so everything, both of these will be done here. Besides it, you can see lots of these purple or whatever you can say brown colored areas here, lots of these here. So these purple colored areas, they represent villages. So there are some villages located in Mohali region, but comparatively not much area has been covered by villages. So throughout the map of Mohali, you're seeing lots of red lines here. Some red lines, they are dotted lines, and some are not. The red lines which are not dotted lines, they represent the roads which have already been constructed and are in common use right now. And the red lines which are having dots in between, like these ones, they haven't been constructed yet, but will be constructed later on. So these roads are actually connecting various cities, cities of Punjab, cities of neighboring states like Haryana, Himachal Pradesh. So you can say that Mohali is very well connected to to the neighboring to the neighboring areas, neighboring cities, and cities of neighboring states. Here you are seeing these black lines. These black lines actually show the restricted area. They can't be used for commercial purposes. They can't be used for residential purposes. They may be owned by military for some specific purposes or something similar. Besides these, you can see lots of these light colored blue lines, like this one and this one. So these light colored blue lines, they represent river reserves, not the full-fledged rivers, I would say, not the floodplains, not the streams, but the river reserves only. Um, you can say they are small rivers, or the states like to preserve them, the river reserves also.